by adding a pair of 5-axis robotic arms to PD-6B's 44-pound payload platform, the PD-6B AWARM can work in high places, collect dangerous materials, as well as pick up or set down cargo in remote areas. The robot arms can carry a max load of approximately 22 pounds and fly for 30 minutes, making it suitable for long operations. ProDrone possesses an unrivaled combination of sophisticated robotics technology and drone engineering innovation. We provide your services and application development with infinite possibilities. Our newly developed 3D autopilot system, PDFC-1, adds the parameter of height to its calculations, providing three-dimensional automatic flight and enabling the drone to work even on orchards in mountainous regions. Spraying with pinpoint precision, it saves time and supplies, realizing the most efficient of aerial sprays. Easy operation is guaranteed even for people not familiar with drones. It's simple to enter a flight course on a tablet. Fewer people are required to operate our smart and simple solution. The Cross F1 is also an all-weather drone. This means day-to-day maintenance is also easy because you can simply wash the entire machine. ProDrone will increase productivity and create more agricultural possibilities in mountainous regions throughout the world. The PD-6CIL is a drone specialized in inspecting infrastructure such as walls, bridges, and columns. The characteristic L-shaped frame restrains the movement of the rotor by using the negative pressure caused when the drone makes contact with the ceiling. As each wheel is independently driven, the drone can freely move around walls and ceilings. When equipped with a high-definition camera, it is possible to detect cracks only 0.1 millimeters wide. Not only does the PD-6CIL accurately inspect exterior walls, bridges, and columns, but as we can lower the speed of the rotors by utilizing the effect of negative pressure made when contacting the wall, we've enabled cargo shipment to such areas as balconies. The PD-8 AWHS is a drone that comes equipped with an ultra-light sensitive camera made by Canon. It can send clear color images back to the operator live, even when the only source of light is the moon. Equipped with ProDrone's original autopilot system, the PD-8 AWHS can perform in such dangerous situations as nighttime search and rescue operations, provide nighttime surveillance, and inspections in dark places. In a search for survivors after a disaster, most drones would have great difficulty operating after sunset. But with the PD-8 AWHS and its ultra-light sensitive camera, the chances of finding survivors in the dark are greatly increased. Mountainous regions have low visibility at night and are full of trees, rocks, and all kinds of nature's obstacles. Normally, it would be extremely difficult to conduct a search with a drone in such conditions. However, since the PD-8 AWHS is more than capable of operation at night, it provides the perfect platform for nighttime rescues, security, and inspections.